Now on the left, this is the road that Skyfall, that James Bond film, was recorded. Like I said to you earlier, you know, there isn't any house to look at, but you know, this is the road apparently that was used in the film. So if you can see, so you've seen the film and you can recognise any of it, good luck, because I probably won't. Apparently the scenery here is really nice, so I'll hand you over to the 360 and enjoy the ride.
Wasting money on cures, forgot how to fix myself. They say that time is free, then why is it so precious? Oh, I'll say memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. Time is running out. Time is running out. Lately I've lost my track. I've sailed the deepest seas, hoping to find something to bring back better times. Oh, I'll say memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. But time is running out. 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 Time is running. Time is running out. But time is running out. What if my best days are over? They can't be over. They can't be over now. Time is running out. What if my best days are over? They can't be over now. Time is running out. Time is running out. Time is running out.
So we made it to the end of Skyfall Road. It's not called Skyfall Road, it's called something else. Avon, that's how I put it on the screen. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but yeah, amazing scenery, weren't it? Absolutely phenomenal. And this is what you're greeted with when you get to the end of said road. Skyfall Road. We made it out alive with no issues, which is good. Well, apart from the mountain rescue people, we're down there rescuing somebody, but it wasn't us, so that's all that matters. So we are now heading to a place where apparently there's 3 waterfalls, all fall into one area. I'm not really sure what it's about, what it's called, or anything like that. We just got told about it by a couple of locals, so yeah, let's go and have a look. And while I was here, I thought I would sling the Insta360 on and show you some amazing scenery on the way there, because you just can't get enough of this stuff, I tell you. If you've never been to Scotland, I'm going to keep saying it, but if you've never been to Scotland, 100% come. Because, I mean, look at that. Just, you ain't going to get that anywhere else. Oh, so we're here anyway.